invested some amount in the stock market. After 1 year, he sold all his shares and his effective gain after paying brokerage and taxes was 125%, right? He then invested the proceeds received from his stock market transaction into another investment that offered him an effective annual return of 44% after deducting taxes and other charges. So we have to find the average annual compounded return in percentage that he earned in these 2 years, right? So in first year he is getting 125% return, and in second year he is getting 44% annual return. So we have to find the what is this annual compounded return. So let's just assume he invested rupee 100. He invested rupee 100. So in first year he is getting 125% on this 100. So his investment becomes 225 after 1 year. So he reinvested this amount and his gain was 44% in the second year. So this becomes 44% increase means 40 plus 4, that is 22.54, 90 plus 9, 99, that is 324. So in 2 years his amount has grown to 324 from 100, right? So we have to find the average annual compounded return. So for average annual compounded return, I know 100 must be multiplied with some factors, or for 2 years we have to multiply this 100 with the multiplying factor of this percentage change to get this value 324, right? So this factor square would be 324 upon 100, which is, if I take square root, I get this factor as 324 upon 100. Square root, this is square of 18, so I get 18 upon 10. This is multiplying factor of some percentage change, or we can say it's a gain of 8 over 10, right, which is equivalent to 80%. So its average annual compounded return would be 80%. Correct answer is option B. Next.